Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see your blocked calls on mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do is just open your call history. Right here you can press on this button with the green phone. And right here in this menu you have to press the three dots icon at the top right of the page. And here you can see settings. And the very first option when you open the settings section is block numbers. And right here, as you can see, there is a list of the numbers you have blocked. And these numbers cannot send you calls anymore. So if you want, you have also this option right here, block unknown private numbers. If you have this option toggled on, you will not receive calls from private numbers or unknown numbers, as well as you can unblock the phone numbers that you have blocked earlier. So what you have to do is just press this red line right here, and now you can receive calls and messages from that number. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.